Hi there, I'm Tony Kooslu, beverage expert for UK and Ireland, and today we're going to be talking about MONINfusion. So, what is MONINfusion? MONINfusion is a new concept we're launching across the globe. Simply put, we're inspiring hospitality professionals to create new products and flavour combinations using our existing portfolio. Whilst we have over 100 flavours, there is always room for more. So, what does this look like? It can be as simple as combining current syrups we have to create new flavours. For example, if you take chocolate cookie and roasted hazelnut, combine them in equal parts, you then have chocolate hazelnut syrup. Kind of think akin to Nutella or Ferrero Rocher. We can also look at syrup infusions, showing you how you can use our syrups as a base for your kind of macerations and your infusions. So imagine pink grapefruit syrup that you can make spicy by infusing with jalapenos for a picante or a paloma. Another element of MONINfusion is making cordials by pairing a flavour and a powdered acid. So think maybe, again, pink grapefruit syrup with like lactic acid to create a really nice cordial that has a great long finish. Next up, we also look at shrubs. Essentially think of these like acid adjusted syrups that contain a fruit syrup, a vinegar, and then also sugar elements. You can also use that in a gimlet or other various kind of like soft drinks and lemonades. We're also looking at building a range of liqueurs. So you can take, for example, a yellow banana syrup, combine that with a high proof alcohol like Ray and Nephew, and then you've got a really delicious yellow banana liqueur. Starting off with the most simple bracket of MONINfusion is combining syrups to create a new hybrid flavour. I'll be showcasing a few combinations which I've created recently, but of course the possibilities are endless, so please let us know your favourite combinations in the comments below. Whilst I'll mainly be featuring cocktail recipes, the same principles do apply to soft drinks and coffee. For example, a banoffee frappe created with caramel banana syrup. But in this video again, I'll be focusing on cocktail applications. This one is super simple. It's equal parts of both chocolate cookie and roasted hazelnut syrup. Obviously, you can make as much as you like, but we like to use an old empty MONIN bottle and use 350 ml of each to then create a full bottle. Next up, we're going to be making a tropical syrup. Now, think about the kind of flavour profile you get from juices such as Rubicon. Again, this is equal parts, but to create this, we're going to be making a full bottle. Equal parts mango, passion fruit, orange spritz, and then also pineapple. This is our favourite combination of tropical syrup. If you don't have all of this to hand, MONINfusion is all about getting creative with what you already have. For example, you can include grapefruit, like orange, bergamot, watermelon, peach. Pick what you want, put them in equal parts into a bottle with a jug, filter, and then you have your tropical syrup. Now, this makes a great soft drink like a sparkling water or a lemonade. In this case, we're going to be making a tropical daiquiri. The last combination I'm going to show you today is strawberry and kiwi. Now this is amazing for spritz style drinks in the summer. For this, it's very easy to batch up. It would be 350 ml wild strawberry, 350 ml kiwi, but for today's cocktail we're just going to be making one serve. We do have two other strawberry syrups on our portfolio. I've picked wild strawberry, but alternatively you could use our candy strawberry syrup or our classic strawberry syrup. I hope that's opened your eyes to the possibilities of what you can do with MONINfusion. These were just a few on-trend cocktails, but we'd love to hear what you guys have been creating in your own bars or at home. Come back and check out part 2 where we'll be looking at infusions. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care.